All right, Solana. Let's take a look at 1 billion in app revenue over the last 2 straight quarters, 3,200 monthly active developers, and 800 million in quarterly validator rev.
Yeah, so this is just like a scope of the situation happening on chain, right? Because if Bitcoin's no longer the vehicle of adoption, right? This is just a pure institutional play at this point. Well, then the on-chain market should be that, right? And as we could see, they were for a little bit here. You know, this is. I mean, what do you react to this this visual here?
Well, either we're going to see into a little lull period, or this peak is really just the beginning.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was
hoping,
identifying myself too, because this is what we're looking at. Because our vector of participation are these on-chain markets, right? 2021 cycle. Mm-hmm. That blip you're seeing there were largely driven by NFTs and DeFi on Ethereum, right? That's why Ethereum is essentially driving the market there. And then you fast forward to recent times, not so much, right? Because NFTs and DeFi, not the killer driver of on-chain volume in this day and age, right? The modern mechanism of volume generation has been meme coins,
memes,
right?
Correct.
And through the utilization of bonding curves and other bootstrapping liquidity mechanics, yada, yada, yada.
Yeah.
Most of this stuff was deployed on the green bar, which is
Solana.
So that kind of tells a tale. So it's either maybe as an on-chain market, we've already experienced our blow off top moment. And you're right. Maybe we have a couple years of lull ahead of us until we figure out the next on-chain component to really capitalize on a new wave of volume. Or not, it's just the first blip in a continuation, right?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think things are over yet.
Yeah, but if you look at crypto Twitter,
it definitely feels over.
Feels pretty sad and bleak, right? But that's what's the interesting dichotomy we're kind of trying to demonstrate here. It's like there's a difference between what's happening on chain and what's happening in this newly brewing market sector, which is like the IPO markets of crypto, right?